how's it going? Thanks for stopping by my channel. If you're new, I'm Danielle LaRocca and I do special effects, makeup, tutorials, hauls, reviews, unboxings, all kinds of good stuff. Throughout this video, if you like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, and I would really appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel and be a part of Mi Familia. So in today's video, we are going to be unboxing a mystery box from Alien Cosmetics. I've never ordered from them before, and so I thought it would be really fun to unbox this and see what I got inside, and I will share everything with you guys. So if you want to see what's in my box, keep on watching. Okay, so this is Alien Cosmetics. I saw on Instagram their stuff looked pretty cool, so I wanted to try them for myself. And I really like it when brands have mystery boxes, because then you can get a whole bunch of stuff and kind of test their product and see what they have to offer, especially if you've never used them before. So that's personally what I like to do. So I think I ordered like one thing. I think I ordered a beauty blender from them, and then I saw that they had this mystery box. So that's what I did, and that's what we're gonna do today. I almost dropped the box. So open it up. Whoops. It comes with this little card, Alien Cosmetics, and it has their website on it, wrapped in this nice star tissue paper. Ooh. Okay, so I'm gonna go over everything that I got in my box. So I think this was the beauty blender that I purchased. I thought it was really cool. It's kind of black and white swirls. It says gem casket on it. Ghost with the most, latex-free sponge. So we're gonna open this so I can show you up close. Ooh, it feels nice. I just thought that was really cool. It's all swirly. Oh, how cute. So they sent me a pair of socks. I love that. It says gem casket on it. It's kind of like this marbly print. It almost kind of matches my shirt today. It's tie-dye. How fun is that? And they're like taller socks. Very cool. I didn't know they had clothes. Yeah, it feels nice and stretchy. It's just really cool socks. So that's really awesome. I think that's really cool. Okay, so the next thing I got in my box, so it's a moon. Can you guys see that? It says Alien Cosmetics. Oh, okay, so it has a mirror on one side. I think it's a pan for your eyeshadows, like a magnetic pan. That's pretty cool. I don't really buy single pan shadow, so maybe I'll put this in a giveaway. Oh, how cute. This is totally adorable. It's like a little pin. It's a vial and it says arsenic, poison for my ex. And then on the tag it says bye. Let's see if I can show you that. How cute is that? I like the colors. Very cute. And then these look like bath bombs. There's no card in here saying what anything is, but I'm assuming these are bath bombs. Oh, yeah. Ooh, that smells really good. That's like a fresh, oh, now I need to clean out my bathtub. It's wrapped in plastic, but it's like swirled, and it smells like really fresh soapy smell. And there's two in here, and they're like both the same color. So that's what these look like. How fun. Oh, and they sent me another beauty blender. This one's cool. So this is like a purple one. Oh, I like this one. How cool. I love all the swirls. I love their vibe, like their aesthetic is really cool. Okay, it looks like we have two palettes in here. This one is, it just says Alien Cosmetics, and I have to say I did pre-open this because I wanted to test some of this for you guys, so I am wearing some of the eyeshadow on my eyes. There's no mirror in it. This is the first one. and there's no shade names on it. But these are all shimmers, and I'm gonna do some swatches for you guys. So let's start with this first gold one. That is what that one looks like. It's picking up a little more copper on camera. And then next we'll go to this purple one. They feel so smooth and buttery. There's that one. Then down to this shade. Ooh, that's really cool. It's like two-tone purple and kind of like golden. And then this bottom purple one. That's what it looks like on my finger. Very pigmented, that one. So let's see. Ooh. Very nice. I'm kind of sad that they don't have shade names on here, but those are really pretty, and I'm wearing that first gold shade on here, and I'm wearing the purple shade down here. So from what I tried, those pigments work really well. Moving on to this palette. It's this purple, it's this blue one. It's called Sunbathe and Soft Serve. And again, there's no shade names, but so it comes with a mirror, and these are the shades. So let's go ahead and do a test for you. So we'll go with this first white shade. I got residual eyeshadow. But yeah, that one's very pigmented. Then we'll go to this transition shade. It's like a brown. This dark brown shade. That's what that looks like. Moving on to this blue shade. Ooh, that's pretty. Then this middle kind of golden shade. And then this blue shade. That looks really pretty in the pan. That's super pigmented. Okay, we got 3 more. So this dark brown shade down here. Ooh, it's kind of like a reddish brown. This one looks super pretty. This blue shade in the middle. I love blue. Blue is like my favorite. Oh, very electric. I like that a lot. That's really cool. And then this last brown shade, swatch for ya. There we go. So those are all those colors in the palette. The other day I actually did try this light brown, and I tried this one, and I think I tried this blue, and this transition tan shade works really well. I definitely think that the shimmers work better than just the matte colors. However, I did not try this blue, so I'm actually really looking forward to that. Let's see. And then the last thing that we have in my box, this is the Gem Casket Gloss. And this is in the shade Corpse. So it looks like this. This is what it looks like. Ooh. It's like a nude creamy gloss. That's really pretty. So that's it for the video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. This was my first time, like I said, trying Alien Cosmetics. I did like a few of the shades that I did try, and like I said, I think I prefer like the shimmers over the matte shades, but I feel like what better way to try a product than getting their mystery box, because then you can get kind of a little bit of everything. So if you like what you see, please leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave me some comments down below and subscribe to my channel. It would really help me out. And don't forget to check out my other videos that pop up on the sides. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.